everybody, today I'm over here at the Rainforest Cafe. As you guys can see, it's a nice day out today and there's nobody around. So I'm down here nice and early. I've been getting down here a little bit earlier than usual just so we could get in and get some of these videos without a lot of the people in the background, so you guys get to enjoy the stores a little bit more and the resorts a little more. But when you guys get over here, this is what you're greeted to. These are kind of like really awesome stores if you've never been to one. These are themed, this one's themed around a rainforest, so when you guys come in, you've got the big rainforest effect right above your head. You got the monkey up on top, you got the snake as you're walking in, you've got the cheetah in the background. It's kind of cool looking up and seeing all that stuff. And then you can also see the big fish tanks, and over here, you've got the big bar. And the bar is right underneath the mushrooms, so it's kind of cool. And we're gonna actually get to that side once we're done filming the actual walkthrough of the actual store part of the Rainforest Cafe. And if you guys aren't familiar with these rainforests, there's actually a couple of them located in Walt Disney World. There's one over here in the Disney Springs area, and then there's actually one over in the Animal Kingdom. So if you guys go over to the Animal Kingdom, you don't have to go into the Animal Kingdom to go into the rainforest. You can just turn around and take the bus over, get out, walk over to the rainforest. You can go in, eat, do all this stuff, and then turn around and come back out. So if you guys want to see it, you can do that. And that one's actually under a big waterfall outside. But as you guys can see, there's big fish tanks all over the place. You've got a lot of the rainforest stuff up above with butterflies. Got a ton of toys in here, stuffed animals in here, clothing in here. And every now and then you're going to hear the rainforest up above you with the clouds and stuff like that. The lights are going to flash. So when you guys are in here eating and stuff like that, it's cool because it makes you feel like you're actually in the rainforest. But you can see there's a big mix of just about everything in here. This is always my go-to. If I'm not really sure or I haven't gotten anything and I'm going home and I'm looking for, maybe that one extra thing that I just can't find, I always at least stop by here because they've got so much stuff in here that you're bound to find something. It doesn't matter what it is, you're bound to find something in here that you guys like. You guys can see the tree as we're walking by. That actually is an animatronics tree. It'll talk to you and stuff like that. Every now and then it'll come on and say some stuff. And you walk around, you got hats, shirts, just about everything in here. It's not just one type or one, like you go into the resorts and you guys are going to see, certain things that are constantly blowing out in all the resorts. In here, it's all over the place. From keychains, to lights, to candies, to shirts, to hats, to stuffed animals, flip-flops. You got just about everything. You got the keychains, to bottle openers. You got shirts over there, you got the croaks over here, the hats. So there's something for just about everybody here, guys. So if you guys get a chance to come over and check out the actual Rainforest Cafe, this is where you're going to find it, Disney Springs. And that's the store part. And we're getting ready to actually walk down into the restaurant. So they're going to let me go in this morning before it opens up. So we're going to get a little bit of, one-on-one with the restaurant with nobody in there. But this is the store. One last look. Okay, so now we're out front and I'm going to show you, if you guys are walking in off the street, you're going to book your reservations right there, or if you've already reserved, you're going to come on in here. They're going to bring you in. You're either going to go into the bar here and hang out at the bar, and you guys will notice they've got chairs all the way around, and then they've got the animal legs, and it's all themed underneath this big old mushroom. And the water comes down around the mushroom and stuff during when it rains and stuff. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but these chairs used to be all over the place, and I don't know if they just removed them over time, or if they're just, maybe what's left over, I don't know, or they just wanted so many of them, that was it. They give you guys a look more at the bar. This is an awesome bar. You come in, you've got your TVs and stuff in here. It's themed awesomely. So when you guys are looking around, you can even come in and get a Coke. I used to, years ago, I used to just sit down and drink a Coke at the bar, get something to eat with it, and then you can look around and see everything in the background. But as you're walking out of the bar, this is the restaurant part. So you guys are going to come in, and you're going to, when you're booking your reservation, you're going to tell them where you want to sit. So if you want to sit in the elephant section, you're going to come over here, you're going to be in the elephant section. You want to sit in the ape section, you're going to sit near the apes. So it's kind of cool. There's different sections spread out through, and this restaurant slash gift shop is pretty similar to the T-Rex, but the T-Rex, I think the inside restaurant part is the better part of it. The gift store is really lacking over there, and it's, you know, you've got to build a bear and stuff like that, or to build a dinosaur, and then you've got a real small cramped gift shop. This place has got a huge gift shop, but yet look at the restaurant. This restaurant is a monster. You come in and it's just a lot of corners. You've got little cutoffs to walk through, tunnels to walk under, and you've got the fish tanks once again carried into this part. So you don't only have the fish tanks out front that you can see from inside the store, but you come in here and you guys can actually sit in front of them when you're eating if you want to watch the fish and stuff like that. There's another fish tank up there. And these are the sections that you guys are going to come in, and this is what you're going to see while you're dining. And I'll keep walking around. I'm not just going to stand here. Give me a second. It's really awesome in here. The theming is just cool. It makes you feel like you're almost in like an Africa type thing, or like the rainforest stuff above, or a little mix of both. And this stuff here with the brickwork and stuff like that with the cement, it's pretty awesome. You've got the vine tree going up, and you can just walk through. So when you guys are in here eating and stuff like that, you can just walk right around, take pictures, take videos. It's pretty cool seeing all this stuff as you guys are walking through. And if you guys aren't eating over here, at least come over and take a peek at it. Sometimes they let you walk around if you ask them and stuff like that. They'll let you walk around the restaurant, and that way you get to see what it looks like and stuff like that. I always like to ask. I don't just want to walk through, but here's one of the tunnels you're walking through. It's just cool. There's just so many different places to walk. There's some of the guys that are going to be helping you out when you guys are eating here. And the staff over here is always, I haven't had an experience yet with somebody not being really friendly. Everybody over here is just really friendly. And here's another look at the restaurant and the bar as you're coming back up through. And there's your aquariums up there. And now we stepped outside, so that was inside that whole volcano section. And out in the front there, you've got the lava lounge. Now the lava lounge isn't open and they're prepping up in there, so they didn't want me really going down there today and swinging a camera because they're trying to get things ready. But that's an outside bar. Now if you guys are gonna go there at all, you wanna go there towards the nighttime. When it's dark out, it lights up. Plus you've got the volcano up on top, and the whole rainforest turns into an erupting volcano with smoke and fire, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one.